Dancing to that awesome music.
Obsessed with the
I
music.
love that
He's
music.
obsessed with it.
We're making oil. Today we're making immersion blender mayo.
We are.
Yeah, we have been asked already to make it once. And we did it on the air. We did it in a rush. We want to show exactly in front of you right now how to do it.
So we're going to do immersion blender mayo, and we're also going to do a garlic aioli.
Since we're doing it, it's like I'm going to show you how to make an aliolio, which is a fancy.
It's a fancy word for aioli.
Okay, start.
Wait
Mayo.
a minute, is that like Italian or something? Aiolio?
It's Russian.
Okay.
It's Russian.
Is it
Privyat.
really?
Katila.
All right, so how are we going to do our immersion mayo and mayonnaise, Bear?
Okay, very simple.
Our ingredients.
I need 2 eggs.
Eins, zwei. Or
But in the
there's one in here too. Oh, you need 2 in here.
Okay, yeah. So we're gonna use an immersion blender. The immersion blender is gonna sit in the bottom of the thing, and the eggs are gonna start emulsifying. We're gonna go upwards. All the ingredients are gonna be in there. This is a cool thing about this.
This is the great thing about this because I make this at home instead of having to buy mayonnaise. Homemade.
For those of you that are not afraid to eat raw eggs, go ahead. We're not using pasteurized egg. We're using actually organic eggs.
So how many eggs are we gonna do, chef?
2.
Dos?
Due.
Duo?
Dos.
Is that how you say it in Italian? Duo?
In Italian it's due.
Due.
Espanol,
Two
dos.
eggs. Yes, I know.
French, deux.
German?
Japanese, wait. Ni. Each ni.
German?
Ni.
Zwei.
Zwei.
Zwei. Z. Okay. Anyway,
Portuguese.
all right, so,
Dois.
2 eggs. 2 eggs with a shell. Why is it on this show I always get shells in my...
Caca. Where's the spoon? Get the spoon.
No.
Using your finger, just like you were doing at home.
Yep.
This is what happens when you hire cheap help or free help. There's a discussion out there.
Come here.
What do you want me to do?
I got it. Not you.
Oh,
The shell. Got it.
good chefs are not cheap. Hence why we can't pay
This
them.
season, Chef Carlo gets on to me every show. I guarantee you. Every time. All right, 2 eggs.
2 pinches of salt.
2 pinches, 3 fingers.
3 fingers, please. There's a difference between, now we have on camera, do we have a close-up right now?
Zwei.
Okay,
Difference between
look at the difference between, this is a 2-finger pinch, put it right there. And this is the difference between a 3-finger pinch. Look at the difference in there.
That's a big difference.
So when usually a pinch of salt or a pinch of anything, it's 3 fingers.
Gotcha.
So you put your 2 pinches in there.
Thank you, Martha Stewart.
I think
2 pinches in here. How much pepper?
I think I look better than Martha Stewart.
I think you're handsome.
One little, thank you.
1 pinch?
1 pinch.
1 pinch of pepper?
1 pinch.
Boom.
Okay.
Yep.
Vinegar. I love to use apple cider vinegar. It's one of my favorite vinegars. You can use red wine vinegar, you can use balsamic vinegar, you can use white distilled vinegar. I love apple cider.
Okay, 2. 2 tablespoons.
Yeah,
Eins.
there you go.
Zwei.
If you like it less acidic, add just 1 tablespoon of
Apple cider vinegar.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Mustard.
Squeeze.
1 heaping tablespoon of that. When I see heaping tablespoons, because he's using our kitchen tasting spoons. Not only is it going to impart flavor, but also mustard has emulsifying components that is going to help the emulsion come
Together.
Right together. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
Just a little sprinkle of cayenne pepper, like a
tap.
a dash, like a tap. Thank you.
There we go.
That's it. You're done.
Nope.
2 1/4 cups
2
of
1/4 cups.
2 1/4 cups of sunflower oil. I like sunflower, one of my favorites.
Or you
lately.
can use canola. Or you can use corn.
canola, safflower,
Olive oil.
corn, soybean. Olive oil is going to be a little bit too, especially if you use extra virgin olive oil, might have a bite that you might not be able, you might not be used to it.
I'm such a mess.
Dude,
I
really,
know, I'm
free
sorry.
help.
I know. Just
Okay,
you
now,
get what you pay for. Now,
and you can't always get what you want.
okay, so we're gonna take our
said that?
immersion, but you
The
can.
Rolling Stones.
Well, yeah. Well.
Okay, this is the beauty of it. Where's the close up? There? Okay, good. This is the beauty of it.
Take your immersion blender. Now, if you have a high and low, you're going to start on low. And as we move up, we'll turn on to high, okay? And you listen, hopefully the microphones will pick this up. You can hear the difference as soon as it starts to create the emulsification.
I'm gonna get closer.
So we're going to go all the way on the bottom. We're going to hit low.
And you can see already as he's, and don't pull it up yet. Just go down there and start moving around. You can see the emulsion already forming. Once the emulsion forms about already a quarter of the way, now you're gonna start lifting your immersion blender. It's gonna start catching up all the other ingredients. It's beautiful. I could watch this the whole day. Switch to high speed. Go all the way up. There you go.
Push it
Look
down
at
a little bit. And then
push it down. All the emulsion is foamed down. Now to make sure there's no pockets in there.
I love this. This is so fun to do. It's so fun to
Look
make.
at that.
If you make it at home, your kids will be like, "Oh, it's
put it right there.
magic."
Put it right there. Give me a tablespoon.
Tablespoon.
A spoon. Check this out.
There you go. Mayonnaise.
Boom.
It's that
Now,
easy.
let me show you how to, from this, we're gonna make a garlic aioli. What do we
From
need?
that?
Oh no, we're gonna start a brand new thing.
Well, let me clean this off.
Now, how do we clean that?
Well, it's actually very simple. If you
Well,
take
hold
your
on, that's a lot of yummy stuff in there.
Just interrupt me, so bad.
Huh?
Oh, you want me to get the yummy stuff off?
Yeah, come on.
Get all the good stuff? Oh, no, he just hands the spoon to me.
So while you do that,
He's like, just give
okay,
it to
we're gonna have something fantastic here. So, for the,
Well, I can't hear you. I'm bouncing stuff. That's fun. It's like a jacuzzi for your emulsion blender. Need some bubbles. All right, there we go.
and I got to try the mayo.
Is it good? Does it taste like mayo?
It needs one more pinch of salt.
Does it really?
It's perfect. It just needs just one more pinch of
extra
salt.
pinch of salt. Okay. All right. So, aioli?
Man, this free help.
I
Jesus.
know. I just make a mess. I do it at the house too. Make a mess.
Aioli, it's gonna start exactly the same way in the same recipe. The only difference is we're gonna add not the whole thing of garlic.
This is you like some aioli with your garlic.
We're gonna add 1, 2, 3,
3. Thank you.
4, 5,
Uh huh.
6.
6 cloves of garlic.
And since you like garlic, 7.
7. Oh yeah. Some of the crew went. Ah!
No. Okay, so
7.
2 eggs.
2 eggs. Where'd my eggs go? Oh, thank you. Shut up.
Can't take you anywhere.
I know, man. 2 eggs. 1 with or without shell, sir?
Without shell, I don't need the calcium, thank you. Extra calcium is not gonna be good for us. Actually, it's gonna be good. It's okay.
2 eggs?
Okay, 2 eggs.
Yep.
Now, mustard.
Mustard. Dijon, how much? 1 tablespoon?
Yeah, just a little bit.
What is that?
That is a soup spoon.
I know what it is. Why is it doing it here?
Here. Think about a teaspoon. Done.
Oh, it's done already.
Now,
Yeah, real
since-
spoons around here. In the kitchen.
Since we're making aioli, we're gonna use balsamic vinegar.
Oh.
Hey, look, there's more spoons over there.
I see it. Where's
and
the
there's
balsamic?
balsamic vinegar over
Oh, Ethan,
there.
would you mind balsamic?
There
Thank
you
Ethan.
go. That also is going to change the color of the aioli. It's going to make it nice and dark. Now, what happens if you want to keep it green? Don't use balsamic vinegar.
Why is it green?
Well, because we're going to add olive oil.
Oh, okay. That's not okay. Go. Yeah.
Let's not ruin
So
the color.
balsamic-
Got it.
No. I want the balsamic.
Now it's chew.
What in the world, man? Can you do half and half? I'm just kidding. You're so easy. 1 tablespoon, sir?
1 tablespoon,
1
please.
tablespoon of-
1 tablespoon. We don't want to make this very acidic.
But you can use, really, I'm just a mess today. But you can use any vinegar you want, right?
any vinegar you want.
So I can do the balsamic.
Sherry
I
vinegar.
Can do,
you can use.
yeah,
you can
red
use
wine
very-
vinegar.
Red wine vinegar. I'm in love with apple cider vinegar.
I understand.
Now, here's the thing. Since we have the garlic cloves whole in there,
Right.
we need to process this first before we add all the other ingredients.
Understood.
So, please.
Lower speed.
And since we are here,
Oh, go ahead and pinch it.
1, 2, 3.
3 pinches of salt. Any pepper?
Since we're there you go.
1
Do
pinch
it.
of pepper.
Process it. Now start low speed, and you gotta go up and down. You gotta get those garlic cloves in there. Now leave it in the center. There you go. Perfect. Kill it.
I was like, how long do you want me to hold on to this sucker?
No, that's fine. We do a visual check. Everything is there. You can
Yeah,
leave
it looks like we...
You can leave the stick right there.
There's no more.
So, I will usually use a bunch of olive oil, but extra virgin olive oil has a bitter bite that most people are not used to it. So, tame it down. So you put 1 1/4 cup of olive oil.
1 1/4 cup of olive oil.
And
sunflower
seed oil.
Same thing, same amount?
Same amount.
1 1/4 and 1 1/4.
I just did half seeds.
Equals 2 1/2. Okay. And then the same thing we did with the mayonnaise, right? Start low, start slow.
Get your emulsion up down there. Slow and nice.
And you can hear the change.
You can hear it going from liquid to creamy.
Hi.
And actually, my friend, that broke.
It broke.
It broke.
Who broke it? You put an egg in?
You know what?
What's that?
Let me show you how to fix it.
Oh, so if this is too liquid.
It's too liquid. The
Right.
emulsion didn't form properly.
Okay.
So not a problem. Look what we're gonna do. Egg at the bottom.
Okay. Egg at the bottom, and then pour this in.
Here, put this one right there. I mean, so you don't drip all over the place.
Sure.
So what happened is the egg got too foamy and it didn't do properly the emulsion. No problem. So we're gonna start again. And I put the egg. So it's gonna stay at the bottom. And I love, and this happens also in our classes. Students, oh, it broke. No problem. Let me show you how to fix it.
And one more egg.
Let me show you how to fix it. One more egg. Get it down there. Start at a low speed and don't move anything. Okay. If you were on my angle, you can see already the emulsion forming. Now I want you to do small circles. There you go.
You can notice, hopefully they can see at home, they can notice the change in color too.
They can notice. And now start coming up. Change speeds. Go to the bottom. And come up in a circle. And he's moving. I want you to notice he's moving like this in a circle. There you go.
It did turn green. That's pretty cool. He's like, well, duh. I've only been doing this for millions of years.
I keep forgetting that that's the camera.
That is the camera.
Look at that.
Oh, that's pretty.
And see, now it's nice and creamy. Now,
Oh, it smells amazing too.
and you
Yeah.
see all those little spots? That is garlic. And he's gonna try it.
Do you have a roast beef sandwich to try that with, baby?
We might. Try your garlic aioli. Aliolio.
Needs more salt. Woo! Garlic, baby.
Oh yeah. When you have something like this, make sure your date also enjoys the flavor of garlic. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. We have made mayo immersion blender. Now, there's some people that are gonna freak out. Oh, he's not using pasteurized eggs. Listen, you're more than welcome to use pasteurized eggs. I just use organic eggs. They're fine. This is two different kind of. There's a traditional mayo and a garlic aioli with the immersion blender.
I'm gonna be breathing garlic all day.
I hope you enjoyed it, and try to make and leave a comment. Let us know what do you think, and we'll try to improve it. Thank you very much.
We'll see you next time on Talking Food. Oh, what?
Wait, I forgot to say, this is a mother sauce. You can add whatever you want. Chipotle peppers, ketchup, cilantro and garlic. You can make a million sauces out of this.
Ooh, sounds good.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.
Take care.
Bye.